Ops, sandali lang. If gusto nyong makatipid, then this video is just for you. If hindi, you can scroll it up. One of the things na para makasave tayo is minimize or by not watching sa mga movie theaters. Ba't ko nasabi yan? Imagine you are a family of 4 and the cost per ticket sa movie theater ay nasa 500 pesos. So that is 2,000 pesos. Hindi pa yan kasama yung popcorn at saka drinks ha. And let's say, once a week tayo nag-movie theater. So that is 2,000 times 4 is equals to 8,000 a month. Grabe. So we can minimize it. Let's say twice a month or once a month, or pwede na lang natin hintayin sa TV na lumabas, or mag-subscribe na lang tayo sa Netflix kasi 500 pesos a month lang eh. Maraming movies, series, teleseries yung mapapanood natin. Oops, teka lang. Hindi ito sponsored video. Pero Netflix, can man. So, by following my advice, I believe na makakatipid po talaga tayo. And we could make good use of that money in the future. This is your financial educator, Papa Chad, and I'll be seeing you on my next video.